finally. Hello you guys, I am randomly starting a vlog today. Okay, I put you guys here. It's easier for me to talk to you guys this way. So I just wanted to start this vlog and get it going, you know. काफी काम मैंने कर लिया. It has been such a productive day. I feel good and I love my makeup today. Like it looks really nice, the brown smoky and everything. And I still have like a few more things to film. So वो मैं फटाफट कर लूँगी and I cannot wait to take off my lenses and take off this makeup. मैं पिछले I think 8 या 9 hours I have a full face of makeup and it does get uncomfortable after a while. I just want to remove all of this. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you guys some changes that I made in my room because I think मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से आप लोगों को कोई ऐसे रूम अपडेट नहीं दिया है. मैंने पहले सोचा था मैं फर्नीचर वगैरह खरीदूंगी बट वो प्लान मैंने पोस्टपोन कर दिया है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द डोर. डोंट माइंड माई टावल्स, ये सब तो सेम ही है बट मैं अपना क्लोथिंग रैक यहाँ पे लेके आई हूँ. दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ स्टोरेज रैक फॉर मी. इसमें कपड़े तो होते ही नहीं है, इसमें सारा स्टोरेज का सामान होता है. देयर आर मोर स्टोरेज थिंग्स हियर. दीज टू आर ओरेकल डेक्स एंड देन दैट इज़ अ टैरो डेक. ये मैंने स्पेशली ऑर्डर किया है. सो या, एंड माई क्रिस्टल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. Bed is here only and then I have all of this open space. Don't mind that. I have storage problems in this house. Then this is the background and stuff like that and then this is the door again. And पहले मैंने सोचा था यहाँ पे मैं एक छोटा टेबल लगा देती हूँ but I feel like कि फिर वो बाद में बहुत cluttered and ऐसे congested लगेगा and I need open space. I feel like everything is just dumped in my room and everything is just very cluttered. I don't like it. I don't like that my bedroom is also my work room, you know what I mean. I think eventually I will just have to get a studio room or something but that is for later. Anyway, abhi I'm just going to finish my filming stuff. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh my god you guys, I just got done filming a lot of stuff and अब बस मुझे सब कुछ edit करना है but वो मैं बाद में करूँगी. I have been dying to take this makeup off. I washed my face and changed into comfy clothes. I feel so much better already. I want to thank today's sponsor partner L'Oreal Paris for sponsoring this part of the video. If you have been watching my channel for the past 2 years, let's say, you will know that I'm a big fan of the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I recently started using the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. This has 2.5% of hyaluron plus caffeine. The coolest thing about this product is the applicator. This is super new to me. I've never seen something like this. This has a triple bead applicator. So this is the close-up of the applicator. So basically what this applicator does is it helps to reduce puffiness under your eyes and you guys can see how puffy my under eyes are. It is so refreshing. I cannot even tell you how tired my eyes get. This provides an instant cooling effect which is so refreshing. I applied so much product today but my eyes felt extra puffy, so I'm just using my ring finger to just pat it in. Trust me, right after I apply this my eyes feel less tired. It's just such a magic product for me and I've been using it religiously ever since I got it. Also one thing is because iska applicator itna unique hai na, so you don't need a lot of product. You just need the product that's on the triple bead applicator and apply it directly like I did right now. This product has 2.5% of hyaluronic acid and caffeine which helps to reduce the puffiness and the fine lines, and also 4% of niacinamide which helps to brighten. There are more products in this range that I've included in my recent skincare. The first is this face wash. This is the hyaluronic acid face wash. This has a very creamy formula and it helps to gently cleanse the face without making it too dry. The next step is to use the hyaluronic acid eye serum for your under eyes. You can follow it up with the hyaluronic acid serum. It will give you that instant hydration and plump and glow. I especially love to use this before I do my makeup because my skin looks so juicy. The last product in this range is the hyaluronic acid cream. This is a gel cream formulated with micro hyaluronic acid which helps penetrate the cream deeper into your skin. You can include whatever product you want to from the regime, but if there is one product that you need to include in your skincare is the hyaluronic acid under eye serum. This has been genuinely working so well for me, and if you guys want to try out these products I will leave a link in the description box below. Acha, before I end it for today, I want to get your advice on two things: if I should get a table or not, because I'm still contemplating and I think मैं उसको अपना vanity work table type का बनाऊंगी because I do edit on my bed. I don't like it and I want to like have a workstation. बहुत बड़ा table तो नहीं आएगा but maybe I can like customize something, or should I just let it be and keep it open? I'm sorry अगर background noise है. Second thing is, if you guys have any storage ideas, you guys saw that rack. I don't like it because I can still see everything and यहाँ पे भी इतना सामान है. So if you guys have any storage ideas, कोई अगर product है, कुछ भी है, मुझे ज़रूर बताना. Like help me out in the comments down below and I will definitely go through them. And yeah, that is about it. मिलते हैं कल. Oh, and don't forget to participate in the ongoing giveaway. उसका भी details description box में होंगे. I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
This is going to be one of the most spectacular vlogs of my entire career. I was contemplating if I should like vlog this, but ultimately I was just like, I'm able to do this because of you guys, so you should be part of it. Okay, so why is today so special? It's because for the longest time I have been meaning to change my phone and change my laptop. ठीक है, दोनों चीज़ें मुझे change करनी है. बहुत टाइम हो गया basically, मेरे लैपटॉप को 4 years से ज़्यादा हो गया. And although technically it's not बहुत ज़्यादा time, but because my laptop was as it is an older version, I am going to buy a MacBook today. And not just a MacBook, I'm also planning to buy an iPhone, like upgrade my iPhone from 12 Pro Max to 14 Pro. 12 Pro Max का camera is not the best and because मैं अपने फ़ोन से इतना काम करती हूँ, I was just like, you know what, I need to upgrade that too. Like this is a very big deal for me. I know it might not be a big deal for a lot of people. It is a very big deal for me because we all know Apple के products कितने महंगे होते हैं. I have been saving for this ever since I started my channel, like 2019 में जब मैंने अच्छे से अर्न करना शुरू किया था, मैं तब से आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक लेट्स सेव अ चंक टू अपग्रेड योर टेक एंड गैजेट्स एंड वॉट एवर इन द फ्यूचर. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द स्टोर एंड मैं लेके आ गई अपना, पहले मैं भूल गई थी, क्या हुआ, पहले मैं भूल गई थी अपना ना बॉक्स लाना जिसमें मेरा फ़ोन है. मैं वापस घर गई, फिर मैंने लिया एंड लेट हो गई थी. मैं वेट भी कर रही थी फ़ोटो खिंचवाने के लिए, बट या वी आर फाइनली गोइंग. आई डोंट नो वेयर एग्जैक्टली द स्टोर इज़, आस पास ही कहीं होगा. एंड आज इतनी भीड़ नहीं है, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई होप मुझे मिल जाए. आ गए हम, चलो जी. पिंक ये वाला ही है जो मुझे बोला है सबने लेने के लिए.
You want this 16 inches? Sorry, 14 inches.
I want small. You think this is too small, ना?
I think this is too small.
मैंने फाइनलाइज कर लिया. Finally, I'm so happy, you guys. My first MacBook ever. Like this is a big deal to me. अब मैं फ़ोन देख रही हूँ. I know what phone I have to get, so that is like less anxiety inducing. You guys, I came back and I dozed off. Like I took off my makeup, took off my contacts and I dozed off. I'm setting up my new phone right now. चल क्यों नहीं रहा ये? बंद हो गया क्या? हाँ, okay. This is also going to take forever. ये क्या, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो गया है. Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh, मुझे बहुत खुशी मिल रही है. लेट्स पुट दिस कवर, देखते कैसा लगता है. I'm not a fan of it, but अभी के लिए चल जाएगा. Okay, you guys, this phone is all done and सब setup वेटअप सब हो गया. It is 3 o'clock. I think I'm going to continue this vlog. I should be continuing this vlog. I'll keep you guys posted on this. This is the next day. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm using my new phone to vlog. And let me know if you guys can see any difference. I am all ready. It's because मुझे call आ गया है कि मेरा MacBook आ गया है. I am so excited. But today is the day. Your girl is going to buy her MacBook. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं आज लेके ही आऊँगी वहाँ से. एंड बिकॉज आई कंसिडर दिस अ वेरी बिग लाइफ टाइम फ्लेक्स फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई विल मेक एन अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो ऑन दिस बिकॉज आई एम दैट एक्साइटेड एंड थ्रिल्ड एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज गुड इमोशंस. सो या इफ एनीवन थिंक्स इट्स क्रिंजी, मी टू, बट आई एम स्टिल गोना डू इट. आई बुक माई मैकबुक यूनिकॉर्न पे एंड उन्होंने मुझे बोला इट्स अवेलेबल, आप आके ले लो. मैं गई अभी अपना सारा काम छोड़ के अपनी मम्मी का ऑफिस छुड़वा के. आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि मम्मी जल्दी चलते ले लेते हैं. एंड उन्होंने मेरा मैकबुक किसी और को बेच दिया. जो मैंने बुक कराया था और मैंने बोला मैं आके लेके जा रही हूँ एंड दे जस्ट सोल्ड इट टू समवन एल्स गोइंग टू क्रोमा. आई होप मिल जाए. माई मॉम ऑल्सो बेचारी, मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा है कि वो मेरे साथ आई. हम इतने हाई स्पिरिट्स में थे ना, हमारे साथ इतना पचका हो गया. माई गॉड, दे हैव माई मैकबुक. फाइनली.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
Really, God bless you.
I will talk to you guys घर जाके. अभी हम कुछ बर्गर या कुछ खाएंगे बर्गर किंग से to celebrate. Okay, I'm back at home and we decided to just eat at home because we are so tired and everything. We just wanted to chill. And here is my baby. I know, like, I am screaming, crying and everything, and I am just so happy, you guys. And I know this might not be a big deal for a lot of people, but this is a very big deal for me. It's a monumental achievement for me to be able to buy my own MacBook, to be able to buy my own phone and stuff. And I used to be that kid in school and just throughout college, you know, who was just so lost in life. And even now I feel like kabhi kabhi, like, what am I doing? But on days like this, I'm just reminded that just look at your journey, you know, look how far you have come despite everything. And of course you guys have played the biggest role in my life. You are my cheerleaders, you are my homies. We are like this and we will always be like this. Seriously, like, मेरा चैनल नहीं होता, मैं पता नहीं क्या कर रही होती. And I'm just so grateful. I hope you guys know that. And you guys really changed my life यार. मतलब मैं जितना बोलूँ ना उतना कम है. So thank you, I love you all so much and please accept my 1 million nose kisses to you guys. And बस यही बोलना था मुझे. This is it, this is the video and I'm so happy that I filmed this and I'm sharing it with you guys. And I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, now I'm going to go enjoy my burger and I will see you guys in my next video. Also don't forget to check out L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic range. Link will be in the description box. And that is it. Thank you so much. I love you lots. I will see you in my next one.